and today I'm going to unbox my newly ordered Redmi Note 6 Pro. Guys, let's unbox this. I'm going to unbox it. This is my Redmi Note 6 Pro. Look how it looks from inside. It says Redmi Note 6 Pro MI logo, 20+2 megapixel portrait selfie, 12+5 megapixel dual camera, 19:9 full screen display, and a Snapdragon 636. So let's open it. Let's keep it aside and see what else we have in the box. It supports fast charging, but it does not provide us in the box. Guys, this is a 2 ampere charger, not a type C USB port. Let's see what else we have. Okay, it was written that the contents have, it was written that inside the box we have a case. Let us see what we have. Yeah, this is the case. Oh, this looks nice. The case is good. And some papers. Okay. What else we have? We don't have the ejector tool, SIM ejector tool. Yeah, it is there. A SIM ejector. That's it. That's all what we have in the box. Now let's see what we have in the phone. The mobile looks like this. I'll remove the cover so that you can see the clear view of the mobile. See, this is the mobile. It looks like this, same as Redmi Note 5 or same as Redmi Note 5 Pro. From the design aspects, both these mobiles are same, Redmi Note 6 Pro and Redmi Note 5 Pro, except a notch. Let us see. Okay, I'll remove this cover. Let me quickly switch on the phone. This is the first boot up, guys. MI logo. It runs on MIUI 10, as the company says. Let us see which MI version does it runs. Guys, when I boot up, it runs on MIUI 9. I thought it was MIUI 10, but I have to upgrade it afterwards. Let me finish it quickly. English India. Next. India. Next. Now it says the setup is complete. Let's see which Android version it is running on. These are the two back cameras. These are the dual front cameras. Air blaster, headphone jack, noise cancelling. Okay, we've come into the boot screen, guys. This is the main home screen. Let's go into the settings and see what else we have. About phone. Okay, the Android version. It is running on Oreo, guys, with August 1 security patch. Complete video of this mobile I'll post it after few days, guys. Anything you want to know, please give your suggestions in the comment section below. This is Girish signing off today. Goodbye.